Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F81 error code. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So this error code is coming out of the heater unit and it's giving you this error because it's unable to make steam. So the steam unit is not working properly. So this could be something as simple as a fuse. So you can check the fuse and make sure and see if you need the fuse going to the heater unit needs to be replaced. It could also be that the temperature sensor is not working properly, and because it's not detecting the proper temperature, now the heater can't heat properly and create the steam that it needs to create. So if you want to check all those things, and then also a lot of these electronic errors that come from these modern machines can be fixed really just by doing a hard restart on the machine. So turning the machine off, unplugging it from the wall, or turning it off at the circuit so it has no power, and leaving it off for a full minute before you turn it back on and see if that doesn't fix the problem. Anyways, hope this video helped at least diagnose what the problem is, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.